Organizing data. This is a part of Unit 3, Linear Relations. Why do we collect data? Before you start out to collect and organize data, there needs to be a reason to do so. The reason may just be curiosity, or it may be something that will change the course of the events in the world. One thing that we know for certain is that people like to gather and analyze data. Anytime you ask yourself the following questions, you are collecting data. For instance, I wonder how many people blank. I wonder how many people in my class are going to the school dance next week. And I wonder how many games my team will win this season. These forms of data collection are informal, but they do demonstrate the fact that everyone collects data on a regular basis. What types of data will we deal with? There are many types of data that can be generated by experiment or real events and collected by observation. In this course, we will focus on two-variable data, and specifically the relationships between two variables. We will be investigating the relationships between dependent and independent variables. A dependent variable depends on the independent variable, though it is probably best demonstrated by an example. Dependent or independent. Identify the dependent and independent variables in the following relationships. 1. The wind speed, the power generated by a windmill. The wind speed and the power generated by a windmill. In this example, the power generated by the windmill depends on the wind speed. Therefore, we would say that the dependent variable is the power generated, and the wind speed is the independent variable. Let's practice this. The wear on a car's tires, the number of kilometers driven.